In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to use Face ID while wearing glasses. This enhances both security and convenience by ensuring the system recognizes your face accurately with or without glasses. Since glasses can significantly alter facial features, scanning with them helps prevent login issues and increases the precision of Face ID. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, you will want to scroll down onto the option of Face ID and passcode. Enter your phone passcode. Just below Face ID with a mask, head to Add Glasses. Tap to continue to set your Face ID. Make sure to put on glasses for full face recognition. And by the way, if you don't see the option of Add Glasses, make sure to first enable the option of Face ID with a mask. The Add Glasses option will automatically appear. Well, that's how easy it is to enable Face ID with glasses on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.